Everyone, today we are going to learn how to write the English letter X. First we will write the capital letter, a big slant line, then we go to the top line again at this level here, and then we make a cross. These two lines will cross on the second line. These 2 points are at the same level, these 2 points are at the same level. So this is capital X. Once again, slant line and slant line. Right? Now we are going to write small cursive X. We start with our tiny curve. We go up. We come down like this. We go back the curve. Then we make a shape like C. And we go out. This is how we write small cursive X. Once again, tiny curve, we go up like C, but instead of coming back, we go ahead. Like we are completing the circle, but we stop midway, we go back, then we make proper C and out. Once again, start with the tiny curve, go up, make a round like this, stop here, go back the round, up, make a C and out. This is the proper way of writing small cursive X. Now when we are writing X, what will be the sound that will be make? The sound will be something like Z, X, Z, X, X, Z, X, X. A slight K sound and then a bigger Z sound. X, 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 X. Right? So happy practicing.